this shul on Tefilla, we got to the Tefilla that we pray when we take out the Sefer Torah. We talked about Tefillah Kapayim. Now we say another pasuk, Baruch Hamakom Shatan Torah Amo Yisrael Baruch Hu. Blessed is the Makom, Hamakom. What does Hamakom mean? Hamakom means the place. But really it refers to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Oh, we have to understand Hamakom. Why? Because there's a chazal that HaKadosh Baruch Hu doesn't have a place, but Hashem is the place of the world. Therefore, as a nickname, we call HaKadosh Baruch Hu Hamakom, the place, because it's the place of everything. Shatan Torah Amo said that he gave Torah to his nation Israel. He gave not Torah to Israel, not to Amo Israel. He gave to Torah to his nation, while they are his nation. When they obey, they take it. Israel, Baruch Hu, blessed him. Ashrei ha'am shekachalo, is fortunate the nation that so for him, for it. Ashrei ha'am she'Hashem elokah. Fortunate is the nation that Hashem elokah. Hashem is his God. Therefore, we say Baruch Hamakom. When we bring the Sefer Torah, we say Hamakom. Interesting. Why do we refer to HaKadosh Baruch Hu here, Hamakom, here more than any other place? We bring the Sefer Torah. We know that the Aron at Badin, the poles to carry the Aron. Now Torah says that these poles should not come out. We should take out the poles. By Shulchan, by Menorah, that poles, and when they were stationary, they took it out. But whenever that they had to move, they moved it. But the Aron, Torah says, don't take out the poles. Now the Persian say, why? Why by Aron, Torah says that don't take out the poles? Because see, the Mefarshim say that Shulchan, Menorah, they are symbolic. Shulchan is part of the richness, and Menorah and Mizbeach. This type of things are Avodah. Now, Avodah has a makom, a special place that when it's in its own place, then we don't need poles because the poles are there to be ready to be carried. But Torah, by definition, doesn't have any makom. It's not a makom. Torah should be available for any situation, any place. There's no makom of menucha for Torah. Torah has to be carried, to be given to the Hal Yisrael. No matter what the Hal Yisrael is doing, what segment of the Hal Yisrael, we have to be able to carry Torah to them. Therefore, there's no special makom for Torah. Therefore, here, by the bringing Sefer Torah, we refer to HaKadosh Baruch Hu makom, because they are mekomoshel. You are the place of everything. Not that you have a place, you are the place of everything. Torah is the same thing. Torah is not being given in a special place. That in this place I could keep Torah. Torah is shayach to this place, it's not shayach to the other place. Any place that we are, Torah is shayach. That's why the badim has to be in the Aron all the time to show that Torah is accessible, it's movable to all over. It's not a makom that Torah sits and excludes other places. No, Torah is universal, it's all over and has to be ready to be carried all over that the poles are there. They were here by bringing Sefer Torah out from the Aron, that's a place. We say that the Aron is not a place that Torah should be put there and get dust. Torah belongs to the heart of the Hal Yisrael. You have to take it from the Aron. Baruch HaMakom. Torah is the Mekom Shel Olam. Not that the Aron is the Makom for Torah. Torah is Mekom Shel Olam. Torah has to be in the heart of the Hal Yisrael, the mind of the Hal Yisrael, all over, to be carried, to have them. There's a resting place that we put the Torah to rest. HaMakom. That's why we say HaKadosh Baruch Hu is the Makom. Torah is the Mekomo. Mekomo is by every Jew that should have Torah in his mind and his source of blessing forever.